Tina?
Quick follow-up. Sir, what would prompt the president to declare a revolutionary government?
Oh, I gave you the series of. No,
What-
as I said, it
are
was
there-
more.
does he
It
have
was
legal-
more of an exasperated expression, and again, I will repeat, to put on notice the transgressors that he will just not just sit idly and watch them do their illegal things.
But he's not going to actually do it. Is that really on his mind?
The Constitution provides many mechanisms by which he can use.
And
It's a dynamic Constitution. It's a
And as
living
for
instrument.
having a revolutionary government, what would be his grounds, if ever?
He's a lawyer. He should know.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, Pia?